Cations that are formed from metals which can lose different numbers of electrons and thus form cations with different charges are named according to the elemental name and the charge of the cation. This makes sense. The only awkward part of the system is that the charge is symbolized by a Roman numeral. Let's review the Roman numerals. I represents 1, double I is 2, triple I is 3, IV is 4, V is 5, VI is 6, VII is 7. We will not deal with cations that have a charge greater than positive 7. As an example, copper forms cations with variable charges, so we must include the charge as part of the cation name. The copper cation with a positive 2 charge has a name of copper 2, which we write as copper parentheses double I. The copper cation with a charge of +1 has a name of copper 1, which we write as copper parentheses I. These cations have the same number of protons, which is why they are both called copper, but they have a different number of electrons. The different number of electrons means that these two cations have very different chemical and physical properties. Manganese is a transition metal which can form cations of many different charges. The manganese cation with a +5 charge is named manganese 5, which we write as manganese parentheses D. You try it. Name these cations with a variable charge. Capital F lowercase e or iron positive 2, capital N lowercase I or nickel positive 4, capital A lowercase u or gold positive 1. Pause the video to do this. The iron cation with a +2 charge is called iron 2, which we write as iron parentheses double I. The nickel cation with a +4 charge is called nickel 4, which we write as nickel parentheses IV. The gold cation with a charge of +1 is called gold 1, which we write as gold parentheses I. Notice that the names of the cations are not capitalized. Although we have to be careful about capital letters when we write elemental symbols and chemical formulas, the names of chemicals are not capitalized.